Did you know that your baby's toys can harbor thousands of germs? Babies love to explore the world by touching, chewing, and even throwing their toys everywhere, which means those cute little plushies and rattles might not be as clean as you think. But don't worry. In this video, we're revealing simple and effective ways to clean and disinfect your baby's toys safely, using non-toxic and baby-friendly methods. Stick around because tip number 5 is a game changer for busy parents. Before we start, drop a comment below. What's the most challenging toy to clean in your home? Let's share tips with each other. Before we jump into the how, let's talk about the why. Babies have developing immune systems, and their toys can collect germs, dirt, and even mold over time. Research shows that some toys can carry bacteria, viruses, and allergens that could make your baby sick. Drooled on and chewed up toys can breed mold and mildew if not cleaned properly. Toys that get shared, like at playdates or daycare, can spread germs quickly. That's why it's so important to have a regular cleaning routine to keep those toys safe and germ-free. Not all toys need to be cleaned daily, but some do. Here's a simple cleaning schedule to follow. Daily. Toys that go in your baby's mouth, like teethers and pacifiers, should be cleaned every day. Weekly. Hard plastic toys, soft plush toys, and bath toys should be cleaned at least once a week. Monthly. Bigger toys, stuffed animals, and toys that don't get heavy use can be deep cleaned once a month. This keeps germs from building up while making sure you don't spend all day scrubbing toys. Now let's talk about how to clean different types of toys. For plastic, rubber, or silicone toys like rattles, building blocks, and bath toys, here's the best method. Step 1. Fill a bowl or sink with warm soapy water using baby-safe dish soap. Step 2. Use a clean sponge or cloth to wipe down the toys thoroughly. Step 3. Rinse well and let them air dry completely before giving them back to your baby. Pro tip. Avoid soaking battery-operated or electronic toys. Instead, wipe them down with a disinfecting baby-safe wipe or a 50-50 mix of water and vinegar. Step 4. Cleaning plush toys and stuffed animals. Soft toys need special care, especially if your baby loves to cuddle or chew on them. Machine washable stuffed animals. Place in a pillowcase or mesh laundry bag to protect delicate parts. Wash on a gentle cycle with baby-safe detergent. Dry on low heat or air dry completely. Non-machine washable stuffed toys. Spot clean with a damp cloth and mild soap. Use a little baking soda to absorb odors. Just shake it out after a few hours. Pro tip. If a plush toy can't be washed, freeze it overnight in a plastic bag. This kills bacteria and dust mites. Quick transition sound effect. Step 5. Bath toys. The secret mold trap. Bath toys might seem clean since they're in water all the time, but they're actually one of the worst culprits for mold. Here's how to keep them germ-free. Squeeze out all excess water after every bath to prevent mold buildup. Soak in a mix of vinegar and warm water. 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water, once a week. Store bath toys in a dry, ventilated space instead of a wet tub. Pro tip. Consider switching to solid bath toys with no holes. They won't trap water inside. Quick transition sound effect. Step 6. Safe, non-toxic disinfecting methods. You don't need harsh chemicals to disinfect toys. Try these safe, baby-friendly cleaning solutions. Vinegar and water mix. A natural, non-toxic disinfectant. 1 part vinegar, 1 part water. Hydrogen peroxide spray. A great alternative to bleach, just let it air dry. Steam cleaning. Use a handheld steam cleaner for an all-natural deep clean. Avoid bleach or alcohol-based cleaners as they can be too harsh for baby toys. Quick transition sound effect. Let's quickly recap the best ways to keep baby toys germ-free. Clean toys based on usage, daily, weekly, or monthly. Use soapy water for plastic toys and disinfect them safely. Wash plush toys in a laundry bag or spot clean them. Prevent mold in bath toys by drying and soaking in vinegar. Use non-toxic disinfectants like vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, or steam. Now we want to hear from you. What's the hardest baby toy to clean in your home? Drop a comment below with your tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more parenting hacks and baby care tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Outro music fades out with a closing screen showing "Subscribe for more."